Here are 3 tips to creating engaging Instagram stories for your fitness studio. Fitness business owners, it's time to shift your focus to social media engagement. Social media is more than just a fun place to share memes like this one.
GSD stands for.
It's a place where you can measure how many people are paying attention to and interacting with your brand. Focusing on your company's engagement will improve your marketing reach and attract new members. Plus, search engines are paying attention to the interaction you receive on social platforms. More engagement equals a better website ranking. So, how do we do this? One of the quickest ways to connect with current and future members is through Instagram stories. IG stories are images, GIFs, or videos that disappear from your profile after 24 hours. Think of them as a slideshow, but more interactive. Tip 1. The first thing to note is that you must make sure your stories, actually tell a story. You might be thinking, no shit, Amanda, it's called a story after all. Speaking from experience, we often get caught up in just putting something up before asking ourselves, what value does this even provide for my viewers? Before posting anything to your story, I encourage you to ask yourself, who's going to be looking at this? Why will they even care about this stuff? And how am I going to get them to engage with it? Things like workout challenges or discount announcements, short videos of your trainers demonstrating proper form, health tips, members working out in your gym are all examples of engaging story content. Tip 2. Make visually appealing content that will encourage shares. You do not have to be a graphic designer to make dynamic and impressive looking graphics for your posts. There are dozens of free, easy to use apps and sites available to those of us wanting to spice up our social media accounts. Canva is a design platform used to create social media graphics and includes 250,000 plus templates, free photos, graphics, and more. Adobe Spark, my personal favorite, is another site that allows you to create fun-looking content for your Instagram stories. It even offers animation options for your creations. Note, the more visually appealing your stories look, the more likely people will want to interact with them. But if you're not the creative type, or if you'd like some help spreading the word about your studio, we got you. LoudRumor works with hundreds of fitness studios and gyms throughout the world, providing them with the best business training, consulting, marketing, and a lot more. So if you're interested, click the link in the description below to learn more. Tip 3. Take advantage of all of the story features Instagram has to offer. Adding stickers like polls, music, the Ask Me a Question button, quizzes, and countdowns are all really great features that encourage instant interaction from your viewers. It's important to also include a CTA here. By including stickers like swipe up or DM for more information, you're giving your members a fun and easy way to interact with your brand. Find out what works best with your audience and use that feature at least twice a week. Before we finish up, I'm going to give you 3 secret hacks to reaching a bigger audience and getting more eyes on your brand. Secret number 1. Have no more than 6 images or videos on your story at a time. No matter how cool your content is, it gets boring quick to the average viewer. Long story short, keep your stories short for a longer engagement time. This tells Instagram that your content is worth viewing and the algorithm will favor your page. Secret 2. Hide your hashtags. IG Stories allows you to type up to 10 hashtags per post. You can hide those tags by pinching them to make them smaller and placing them behind a sticker or image. Make sure not to make them too small or Instagram won't register them. Secret number 3. Tag every brand, person, and location that you can. If you're filming a member during a workout, ask them if you can tag them. They will likely reshare it on their own story. This means you'll get twice the amount of viewers on your story and more referrals. It's a win-win. Social media gives your brand a personality and allows you to communicate with peers, current members, and potential customers. Instagram Stories can take your fitness studio brand to the next level by providing you with a quick and conversational space to connect with your community. So, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one.